Hi, how are you? Welcome to Wife Life. I am Amy. This is my first video. I love cooking and I wanna share the love with you. Today I'm cooking Korean fried chicken. So let's get started. Okay, first step, seasoning the chicken. Put some salt, pepper, and cumin powder. Rub it gently. Step 2, heat up the oil. Better. Flour. Corn flour. Put the flour in a bag. Put the chicken. Close it. And shake it. Okay, next, put batter in oil. If it comes to the top, then oil is ready. Now dip the chicken in batter and fry it in oil. Fry it for 10 minutes. Chicken is light brown. Take it out. Let it cool for 10 minutes. Refry it till golden brown to make it extra crispy. Chicken is done, take them out. Step 5, my very special yummy sauce. Sugar, white cooking oil, vinegar, soy sauce, minced garlic, corn syrup, 5 minutes. Mix chicken in the sauce. Some peanut for decoration. Then you have it. Okay, there you go. This is my Korean style fried chicken with my special sauce. Okay, let's try. So good. Oh man, this is heaven. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. See you next time. Bye. If you guys like this video, hit like and leave your comment, and don't forget to subscribe.